Are you looking for a way to spruce up your yard? Have you seen those neat looking water gardens, but do not know how to get one of your own? If you answered yes to either one of these questions, the answer to your problems is simple. Buy a water garden kit. A water garden kit will give you everything you need to get started, including directions on where to begin and how to build and maintain your new garden feature. The garden kit includes many special features to make your yard stand out. Keep in mind that each kit is different. Most water garden kits, at a minimum, contain filters, pumps, submersible plants, and floating lilies. Additionally, the directions are easy to follow, and you will have your water garden up and running before you even know it. The next thing that will pique your interest about your water garden kit is the way that it is designed. Most water gardens are handcrafted and colored to match the surrounding environment. This goes a long way in making your water garden blend in with the rest of your yard and look natural. A water garden kit does not necessarily have to be set up in your garden. You can set up your water garden in your yard, on your deck, on your patio, or even indoors if you would like. It is simply a matter of preference. A water garden kit can be set up wherever you think it will look best. They are not messy. In fact, the environment is generally very static, which means you won't constantly have a mess to clean up. This is especially true if you invest in a more expensive water garden that is self-cleaning.
For more such educational content, subscribe to Vishnu Consultants.